Hi guys, it's Bethany with ABCuteCreations here with another tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make the mini bean stitch. To get started, you need to chain on in multiples of 2 plus 1. So I'm just going to do a small swatch. I'm using a larger size hook today and yarn so that hopefully you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, once you have your chain, you're going to insert your hook in the third chain from your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 4 loops. Make sure you leave your loops long enough or loose enough so you can easily get your hook through. Then we're going to chain 1. You're going to skip your next loop, your next chain, and you're going to insert your hook into the following chain. And again, you're going to pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. So again, we're going to skip the next chain, go into the following chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. I'm going to skip the next chain, and we're going to continue this all the way across. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. Once you're to your last stitch, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to turn our work, and we're going to start working our way back. Now when you work your way back, you're going to notice there's this loop that we could work into, or this one. We're going to always work into the first loop. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on, so go ahead and close that off. Chain 1. So now for our next one, we're going to find the next space after this next bean, and we're going to work right next to it. So we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. We're going to continue this all the way across for this row. Okay, when you get to the end, you're going to have to finish off by working into your chain 2 space. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And we're going to chain 2, and we're going to work back. So we're going to continue this pattern all the way up, and you can make this as long or as big as you'd like. It's nice and stretchy, it's a very stretchy stitch, so it works well for hats. But it's a great option. So again, we're going to work into the first loop, And that is how you do the mini bean stitch. Once you get to the end, again, we're going to work into right next to this bean, and we're going to work into that last chain too. And continue on. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It's a great little stitch to use for hats and cowls. If you'd like to see more, let me know. Please comment down below if there's a stitch you would like to view. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.